Hello boys and girls and parents. This is Mr. Dyce and this is your Science Weekly update for this week. We are almost finished with January and we're going into the third week of the second semester. These are the things that you need to pay attention to for this week, okay? This week we're focusing on weather and the water cycle. So what we're doing actually is some hands-on activities pertaining to the water cycle, and then we associate that with weather, how the water cycle affects weather, the weather systems and severe weathers and so on. So within the water cycle, we're looking at the steps, the major steps in the water cycle, and then we look at the main details surrounding the major steps, such as there are three major steps in the water cycle. You have evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Those are the major steps. Then you have some other steps such as runoff. You have filtration, groundwater, underground aquifers, and so on. Okay, where you have the accumulation of water in lakes and rivers and oceans. Okay. Now, this is very important. You are going to make a 3D model of the water cycle. That's my first plan for us this week, as well as if you don't want to make the 3D model, then we can go ahead and do a poster. But we do need the 3D model in order to see where the steps are located on the water cycle. And if you make it, then that will be so splendidly awesome for all of us, okay? We are also focusing on reading content so that we develop some form of reading comprehension as it relates to science, that you're comprehending the content of science, okay? If you have any questions about this, you can see me. If you want to shoot me an email, anything of the sort, to get in touch and keeping in touch and making sure that you're understanding it. We're still continuing also the weather data that we're collecting throughout the week and over the weekend. So you make sure that you stick to that and you're getting your information, okay? And parents can help you with it also. I've been seeing not many of you with your papers in certain classes. You're getting a grade for it, so you want to make sure that you're doing your work so that it reflects good on you, okay? Hoping to see your smiling faces as usual this week. All of this week is a short week. Make sure that you're paying attention in class, you're coming ready, and with all your supplies and your books and your minds on, okay? Just keep in mind that a wise, as far as wise the saying goes, that the time wasted can never be regained. So you want to make sure that you're not wasting time in class, okay? All right, see you guys this week. All the best, and let's get some learning on, some science learning, okay? All the best. See you. Bye.